हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। सो मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। सो टुडे आई एम गोना रिएक्ट ऑन अ सॉन्ग फ्रॉम Desire 4 and the song name is Master of Desire. So I did watch ABO, that Omegaverse Chinese BL, and this is my first time seeing them singing or like seeing any C-pop group singing. So this is my first time. Let's see how good this group gonna be. I love their acting, but I don't know how they're gonna be into the singing. Our Alpha and Enigma and Omega, whoa, they're all looking handsome. Oh, let me wait a second. They don't have any subtitles in this. Like, wow, what I'm watching, I don't know. This is so melodious, I can hear it. Okay. The voice is so deep. Who is singing? The voices are so deep. Man, they're all looking so handsome. And Chinese singings are so, melodious to hear. Whoa. He's still looking, our Alpha is looking angry in this one. And why our Omega is crying and have wounds? Did our Alpha did something to him? It's kind of giving me ABO vibe, you know? Why he's choking him? Whoa. Now he is in the cage. I need subtitles, man. Like, let me, first see this MV and then we will watch it with subtitles because I am shocked what is happening here. But I don't have subtitles to understand what is in reality happening. Okay. Okay. And why it is kind of sounding so painful. Now I'm regretting I should learn Chinese too. Like, literally, because of these songs and series, I want to literally learn every language existing into the world. Okay. Okay. Their visuals are mind blowing. And the shape of our Enigma, he's looking like a cunty superior being. Okay. Whoa. Like his wings and around the feathers, he's looking so handsome. Okay. They have the deep voices. Like, I love when, singers have deep voices. But I need to understand the lyrics. Like, guys, we're gonna watch it into this video itself with English subtitles. Let me first see the MV to get a vibe. Then we will go forward with the subtitles. Okay. They're looking so dominating. Even in our Omega is looking dominating. So this was the whole song, Master of Desire, and I didn't understand what they were saying, like, and what was happening. But what I understand, like, the voice was deep and like it was good. Let me search for subtitle. So let's see it with English subtitles. And I don't know like what gonna happen in this one because I literally loved the MV and I want to see it with the subtitles. Let's see. Master of Desire. I hope I found the right version.
请问一句火中这一杀，是从 A 与
Okay.
之前挖，是我水中说多了红花，是
Always telling line when courting and taming. This is literally our Enigma who is doing this. It's kind of based on our Enigma. He literally did this with gentle face and then hiding his claws. Okay. Oh, the lyrics are damn relating to the ABO series. Chinese singing always brings you to heaven and earth. It's like you're flying in middle. Using love to deceive a great method. Oh, the lyrics are no joke. Like they're literally so good. Yeah, yeah. Literally, I want to sing along. This is giving me vibe like I would listen it to, a night when you're like tired and you want to hear something. This is your song to hear. Let me. Oh. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How precious is smoothness, falling for it again. Oh. Who said I could shame him? You can literally shame him. Whoa. Damn. The lyrics are literally giving ABO series. Is this a host from ABO series that released into MV? Because I always skip these songs into MVs when I watch. So yeah. But this is literally giving the ABO series. And this was the whole song Master of Desire. And I hope you love my reaction. I literally loved the song. And I love, like, I found the subtitle to understand what was happening, and pretty much a lot of happening into the subtitles. And like the video if you liking the reaction, and subscribe to the channel, and share the video to the people who love watching reaction channels, and recommend me anything into the comment section. Like type it and recommend me. Bye bye baby. I love you all.